The process task for IELTS Writing Task 1. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method for putting together one of these essays. Now, this is intended for people who are studying these essays and want to know, what do you really need for the introduction? What do you need for the overview and the body paragraphs? What are those things the examiner is looking for, and how can you effectively and quickly put those together? So I hope this is very helpful to you. Let me know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. Enjoy.